The signs of the last days, as revealed in the Bible. Matthew 24:4-8. Jesus answered, "Take heed that no one deceives you. For many will come in my name, saying, 'I am the Christ,' and they will deceive many. You will hear of wars and rumors of wars, but see to it that you are not alarmed. Such things must happen, but the end is not yet. For nation will rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. There will be famines and earthquakes in various places. All these are the beginning of birth pains." In Matthew 24:11, Jesus warns about false prophets who will deceive many. It is crucial to discern the truth and rely on the Word of God as our unwavering source of guidance and discernment. 2 Timothy 3:1-5. But know this, that in the last days perilous times will come, for men will be lovers of themselves, lovers of money, boasters, prude, blasphemers, disobedient to parents, unthankful, unholy, unloving, unforgiving, slanderers, without self-control, brutal, despisers of good, treacherous, rash, puffed up, lovers of pleasure rather than lovers of God, having a form of godliness but denying its power. Avoid such people.